So we're going to be doing the anagram, Sherlock anagram. You already read it, so I'm not going to read it again, right? So the key to solving this, once you understand how to solve it, it's very easy. Okay, so it's very, very easy. Okay, so we're given, let's say A, B, B, A, right? So we'll do it this way. A, B, B, A, right? Now, you won't know this. Okay, so we need to create an array that goes like this. A, A, B, A, B, B. So you can see the iteration straight away, right? It's going to be a double for loop that's going to be looping through them. Then A, B, B, A, right? A, B, B, A, like this, right? Then the for loop, one for loop finishes, and we're going to the next for loop. So I is now 1, right? So now it's going to be B, B, A. It's going to be B, A. And it's going to be A. All right? Wait, what? Yeah, so it's going to be B, B, A. Oh, yeah. Yeah. Oh, wait. Shit. No. My fault. So I is now going to be equal to... it's trolling. My apologies. Okay. So now we're going to have B, BB, BBA. All right, so that's the next one. So now I is going to be 2. We're going to have B and then BA. And then I is going to be 3. And then we're just going to have A. So that's our array, right? And we're going to have 10 things in it, right? So, okay. So that's the first thing. Then you need to sort every single one of them alphabetically. All right, so if you can imagine, this is now, so this should be double A, B. That's what this is going to be. BB, this is going to be A, BB, like this. This is going to be AB because it's alphabetical, right? And then we compare. So this one matches this one, right? That's one pair. So that's 1. Is there any AB? Okay, that's another one, right? Is there this one? No. Oh, whoopsie, I forgot one. Okay, AA, so that matches. That's another one. And then B and B matches. That's another one. Everything else does not match, right? Yeah. And that's going to be your answer. Done. That's it. All right? Okay. Now let's do this. So let's do let all sub string equals like this. 1 second, I'm going to sneeze. Oh, Scheiße. Sorry. I'm German. I used to be German, but now I'm Irish. I'm Irish, lads. All right, so for variable I equals to... Now, okay, one thing I forgot to tell you is that make sure that when you're going to be doing this, do not compare A to A 4 times, right? So you need to start with, well, I'll show you. Oil being show you, lads, all right? Oil show you. All right, so it's going to be I s dot length, right? I plus. So that's end of for loop I, and then we do for variable Jesus is equal to, we probably need to do I plus 1. We're going to start with I plus 1, right? Because we're going to be substringing. We're going to be using substring. So J smaller than S length plus 1, because we need to go slightly over the array, and then J plus plus. So this is end of for loop j. Right now we're going to be doing this. Let substring equals, we're going to do s substring. You can honestly do slice if you want. Let's do slice. S slice. We're going to have j. No, we're going to have I is going to be starting point, and then j is going to be the cutoff point, right? So let's look at this. Yeah, okay. So now you can see we are getting this array in here. All right, so what we need to do is we need to just push this into our all substring dot push this thing here. All right, so now we have this array, this magical array, right? So if we do this, console log this magical array, yeah, we have it. Okay. Now next step, what do we need to do? Arrange alphabetically, right? So we do let final array equals array. So we're taking this now because it's full of this shite, and then we want to sort it alphabetically. So the way we do it is we want to map through it. We want to take element that's inside of it, element dot split. Remember, this is a string, so we have to split it, right? Then we want to sort, dot sort, and then dot join, like this. So now if you look at it, you see, now if we look at it, we got this array here, right? Yeah, we got this array here. Okay, and the final we're gonna compare. Compare, let count equals to 0. You can do this operation if you want in here, but like I'm just making it kind of friendly for people who it's easier to follow when I break it down like this. So we're gonna create a for loop. So let's say for, no, let's do final. So now we need to loop through every single one of them, right? And compare, find the pairs basically, okay? Find the pairs. Now you can do that in any way you want, right? I'm just gonna use it this way for each, whoops, element index, like so. Then we need to create a for loop probably. Yeah, for variable I equals index plus 1. Because remember, we want to start at AB. We don't want to start AA because then it's going to count A twice. We want to avoid that. So we're going to start at A is going to be the element, and then AB is going to be the first thing it's going to compare itself to, right? So it's going to be like, is AB equal to AB? No. Is A equal to ABB? No. Is A equal to ABB? Right, and so forth. Then it finds an A, the for loop continues. It takes AB, and next element, so element is now, this element here is now AB, and because index plus 1, we are comparing to ABB, as opposed to comparing to AB to AB. Does that make sense? Because then you're counting it twice. All right, so I smaller than final r dot length. We can probably do plus 1 in here maybe. Nah, I think it should be fine. I plus plus. Okay, so now we have let element 2, which can just call it element 2, final r, and that's gonna be our I, right? So now we're gonna have AB, ABB, like this. You'll see, right? Oh shit, it's so. Mm. I'm just console log. This. No, that's even messier. We need to not console log here. We need to console log in here. Then you'll be able to see them. Yeah. Okay, so you see, I said that it's going to start at ABB. So it's going to skip the A, and because index +1, it's going to go to AB, and then go through ABB, right? Then it's going to go to element is going to become AB, and then it's going to start comparing it to ABB. You see, so that's the next one. Then element becomes ABB. It's going to start comparing it to this one, right? And we're just basically comparing it, and we're finding pairs this way. Again, you can do it any way you want. So if element equals to element 2 count plus plus, and that's it. And then we're gonna console log count. It should be 4, and then we're gonna return count, and then that's it. It's done. Of course, you want to get rid of the console logs, and then you want to put this into our magical thingy to see if it's going to work. I think it should, right? And then you're done pretty much. Now this takes a bit of time. You can maybe kind of like remove some operations if on your computer it's failing for some reason, but I mean, it should pass, honestly. Done. And that's it, you're done. Take care.